Hello everyone, welcome back to the yet another episode of our weekly series Market Buzz. So let's start. Let's start with Index Nifty. On weekly scale, we could witness index has breached the previous resistance of 11,400 levels and it has closed above it. The black line will be acting as next immediate resistance zone where index is trading right now. RSI is moving towards the north direction, showing no sign of weakness. Index above 11,700 levels will continue to move towards the north direction. 11,400 will be acting as initial support level. Let's move on to the next index, that is Bank Nifty. On daily scale, Bank Nifty has finally breached the 2-month range resistance and it has closed above it. Index has outperformed Nifty as it has surged across 10% comparing to 2.5% of Nifty for the week. It has closed on high note as it has formed strong bullish candle. Now previous resistance will be acting as a support level, which lies around 23,250 levels. Index need to hold the support level to continue with this bullish momentum. Although RSI is trading in overbought zone, but there is no sign of weakness for now. Let's move on to the next segment, that is interesting observation, where we are going to look into DAX index, which is German index. On daily scale, we could witness index is struggling to breach the horizontal resistance. RSI is showing negative divergence as price is moving towards the north direction and RSI is moving towards the south direction. 20 EMA will be acting as initial support level. Index below 12,900 levels will continue to move towards 12,500 level. Let's move on to the final segment, that is stocks. The stock which we are going to discuss is Dabur. On daily scale, stock failed to sustain above the rising channel support. Stock closed below 20 EMA. It tried to move above 20 EMA but failed to sustain above it, indicating change in trend. RSI is moving towards the south direction with negative crossover, indicating weakness in stock. One can go short on Dabur future below 485 levels with the stop loss of 510 with the target of 430. Moving on towards the next stock, that is Bandhan Bank. On daily scale, stock has breached the resistance of bearish trend line. Rise of volume on bullish candle indicating accumulation of stock. Stock has breached the resistance of 20 EMA and closed above it, indicating resumption of bullish momentum. RSI is moving towards the north direction, indicating good strength in stock. One can buy Bandhan Bank only above 324 levels with the target of 375 and with the stop loss of 300 levels. So that's all for this episode. Hope you all have a profitable week ahead. Thank you.